This week, OpenAI open-sourced PointE, a breakthrough machine learning system that creates 3D objects from text commands, and it's faster than anything we've seen before. PointE is a model that utilizes two separate models to generate a point cloud that represents a 3D shape. The first model, a text-to-image model, uses labeled images to understand the associations between words and visual concepts. The second model, an image-to-3D model, was fed a set of images paired with 3D objects so that it learned to effectively translate between the two. When given a text prompt, PointE's text-to-image model generates a synthetic rendered object that's fed to the image-to-3D model, which then generates a point cloud. After training the models on a dataset of several million 3D objects and associated metadata, PointE could produce colored point clouds that frequently match text prompts, the OpenAI researchers say. PointE is a huge step forward in 3D modeling and design, as it makes the process of generating 3D objects a lot faster and more efficient. This could have a huge impact on the 3D modeling and design industry, as it could revolutionize the way 3D models are created. However, there are still some issues that need to be addressed. For example, PointE's image-to-3D model sometimes fails to understand the image from the text-to-image model, resulting in a shape that doesn't match the text prompt. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential for copyright infringement, as PointE doesn't credit or cite any of the artists that might have influenced its generations. Overall, PointE is an impressive breakthrough that could be a game changer for the 3D modeling and design industry. We'll have to wait and see how it develops and if OpenAI can address the issues that come with it.